Thank you. Okay. Shauna Williams, Berkeley Heights. So on the district website, you can find 2 RFPs, one for architects and one for attorneys. However, I would like to note that neither of these RFPs was voted on and authorized by the board. This cannot have been done in committee. A committee, you don't have quorum. If you say that this was done in committee, it's a violation of the Open Public Meetings Act. So I would like to know how you plan to go forward with this if you have not issued an RFP and voted on it by the board. Next question is, actually, let me read a statement. NJSA 18A:18A-4.3 reads, in order to initiate competitive contracting, the Board of Education shall pass a resolution authorizing the use of competitive contracting each time specialized goods or services enumerated there's a bunch of that basically are desired to be contracted. All right, you have to pass a resolution, and it wasn't done. So again, how are you going to move forward with this? Going on, 18A-4.5 says a report shall be prepared by the business administrator evaluating and recommending the award of a contract. We have not seen a report. This, of course, is due if you are going to issue a contract. So in the September 14th minutes, it says, Mr. Smith alerted the community that the board is moving forward with an RFP for a new architect of record. He noted that the candidate will be appointed at the November board meeting. So obviously that didn't happen in November. Here we are in December, but you still haven't voted on this. Not only that, you're in a lame duck session. You have 2 new board members who will be starting, and there was a legal case that was brought up. It is NOAC versus Board of Education of Manville, where they made a number of appointments, and that was challenged. And the court found that appointments where there is no vacancy and which are made before a successor board is seated are not to take place. NJSBA also recommends against doing this. So again, why are you going forward with this right now? So your own agenda says action will be taken. The board agenda right now says action will be taken. So I would ask that, if you want to interview, fine, whatever, but I think that you guys should reevaluate. Will you please pause, wait for your new successor board, and do this the right way? Thank you.
Sai Akiri. So I have similar questions. I would like to know when exactly did this board vote publicly on a resolution to issue the RFPs? If we go on the district website right now and search for RFPs, there are 2 RFPs out there. One is for the architects and the other is for the attorneys. And I checked through all the agendas till date, and not a single agenda has a resolution recommended by the superintendent or requesting that the board authorize this. So when was this authorized and advertised? And if it was not done in a public board meeting, and as I think recently we had a open session with the NJSBA liaison, and she said committees cannot take any decisions. So we would like a clear answer as to, was a decision made in a committee to authorize the advertisement of these RFPs? And how are you proceeding with it? And I would like to quote the same statutes. I called the NJSBA, and I did ask them for specific guidance on, can a contract be awarded during the lame duck session? And we have all been at an NJSBA training this week. And the advice given by NJSBA and the Department of Ed both said a contract cannot be issued within 60 days to the reorg. So why are we proceeding with this interview process? You can go ahead and interview, but a contract can't be awarded by this current board, especially given step 1, there was no public resolution or a board vote to award and issue these RFPs. Number 2, you can't award a contract. So why are you doing this? Thank you.